Hey there everybody, I'm at McDonald's and this is Johnny coming at you. And today we're going to make a Mc Cobbler. Have you ever had a Mc Cobbler? Okay, well here we go. I'm going to show you how to do this before the ice cream melts. So what we need today to make a Mc Cobbler is we need the two pies, apple and berry, and then we need the ice cream over here before it melts. So here we go. Again, here we are. We've opened the boxes, we've laid it on top of each other. The ice cream is still melting here, and we need the fork and knife as we have right here. Here's the fork and knife. Now we're going to make the Mc Cobbler. Here we go. And the ice cream has not hit the table yet, but it's melting, so we're right on time. And there is the base of our Mc Cobbler. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the ice cream, and then we're going to topple it. And we've put the final touch on our Mc Cobbler. And that's just a little crispy top at the top, which was the cone. Yep, it's a towering Mc Cobbler at Banff, Alberta, with McDonald's. Food, folks, and fun. Isn't it just great? Yum, yum, yum. It's total annihilation of the Mc Cobbler. Yes, it was really good. It was a really good cobbler. We had a great time. I'll come up with a proper name for it, but yeah, Mc Cobbler's probably what it is. It was really, really sweet. Really super yummy and sweet. Talk to you soon. And when food, folks, have fun at McDonald's with the Mc Cobbler.